Came up with a fumble. Malloy is down on the field injured. We will check on the injury as well as the turnover, a fumble by Tim Hightower. Seahawks lead 3-0.
There you go, your fumble for the day.
Some places put chicken